How to replace the TV screen in Premiere Pro. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So watch this video till the very end. You must need to follow some steps for that. So to replace a TV screen in Premiere Pro, you need to follow the steps like importing your footage in the new content. Open Premiere Pro and create a new project. Import your footage that contains the TV screen and the new content you want to replace it with. Also place your footage on the timeline, like drag your main footage and also place the new content you want to. Use the opacity and masking tools as well. Select the new content layer on the timeline, go to the effects control panel and find the opacity as well. The fourth step is to adjust the mask. Refine the mask, that is the adjust the mask shape and feathering to the fit of the TV screen. Track the mask as well. After that, you must need to resize the position and new content and apply the additional effects by following the steps right here, like add the effects and add the shadow border as well. Now preview and adjust all the playback and the timeline. Review the footage to ensure that the new content looks natural and fits well within the TV screen. Make any necessary adjustments and refine the mask, position and other settings as needed. Now, if you are done, then export your video. Once you're satisfied with all the replacements, render your sequence by pressing the enter option. Export your video by going to the file option, export option to the media. Now choose your desired export settings and click on the export option. Now by following the steps, you can effectively replace a TV screen in Adobe Premiere Pro, ensuring the new content fits seamlessly into the original footage. So this is how you can do this. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below.